In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a deposit. So if somebody posted a deposit that was either incorrect or wrong project or just done on accident, this is how you would credit that deposit. So first I'm going to go find the project that I want to credit. In this particular case, it's this test account that I have set up. If I go to Invoices tab, I can see my deposit. I actually had already created a batch for the return, but I'm going to cancel that right now so I can show you how I actually did it. So I have this posted invoice for a deposit. I believe it was a 10% deposit. It's posted and exported to GP. So right now it's sitting in GP as a collectible deposit. So this is how you would credit it. First you want to take note of the invoice number and also the project number. I can close all of these project windows because I'm going to go to the Billing tab on the left-hand main menu. And under the Billing tab, there's a subheading called Invoice Adjustments. Invoice Adjustments is good for when you're trying to credit deposits, shipping, labor, or any other kind of fee item. So when you click on Invoice Adjustments, you're going to get this window. The type of credit, debit, and return, we're going to choose return. And you can either hit the lookup button or you can you can type in the project number or the invoice number. So first I'm going to look it up by invoice number. And here we go. So I found my deposit and I'm going to click on it and it's going to fill in all my information. If I hit full credit, it's going to pull up everything that has been invoiced so far. So if it did pull up any parts, you could delete those off by going into each individual line and deleting it there. So if I hit this delete button, it would take off that particular line. In this case, the only thing that's been invoiced on this project is a deposit. And you can see that it's pulled it up and it's batched right now. And it's going to deduct my sales amount, my sales tax, and my total. So if this is correct and I'm ready to credit it, I would just hit post, and it's going to ask you if today's invoice date is correct, and that's fine. You just click save in the right-hand corner, and now this deposit credit is posted in Field Point. Now I need to click the Send to GP button so that this credit will go over to GP, and then the AR girls can then apply that credit to that deposit. When I hit that, you'll see it blink, and now I no longer have any workflow buttons up here, so this is a completed credit. The next step is to go into GP. Now, either you or an AR or accounting person would have to do this next step. So I'm going to open up my Microsoft Office Dynamics. Once I'm in Microsoft Dynamics, GP, I go to my Apply Sales Documents. For the AR team, you probably are familiar with this window when applying payments. So you would search for your customer, and I think I have the wrong customer. Let's go double check. Customer is the test account. That's correct. I need to make sure I'm not. So again, I'm going to search for my test account and look up my document number. Here's my return. So when I click on that payment, I can then apply it to my deposit invoice, and that will zero out and cancel that deposit. Once I click OK, the process is now done and your deposit is officially credited.